I'm a foreign national exempt from foreign law under Amendment 11, and they keep calling me sovereign citizen and like...
Well, that's what it is. That's what it is.
No, it's not.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Stop. Come here, bud. Come here, bud.
A woman recently had a tough experience after being pulled over by the police. She tried using legal arguments tied to the sovereign citizen movement, insisting traffic laws didn't apply to her. Unfortunately for her, things didn't go as planned. The officers stayed firm and ended up removing her from the vehicle when she refused to cooperate. It's surprising how many people believe these internet-based legal theories can help them avoid tickets or charges. Even more concerning, she had her children in the car witnessing the entire incident. The woman identified herself as a foreign state national, which is just another way some try to avoid.
Can you roll this back window down for me? Hello. Hi, can you roll this window down for me? Hi, my name is Officer Fager with the Edgewater Police. The reason I stopped you, he's not in his seatbelt, and your tag is obscured. The top of it, you can't see what it is, and it doesn't come back to anything.
My camera is blocking the top.
Yeah, do you have your driver's license, ma'am? Do you have an actual driver's license?
No, that is my ID. I'm an American state national.
Okay, that's not a thing.
Yeah.
Do you have a registration and valid proof of insurance?
I'm not engaging in the commercial use of the highways or byways, nor am I operating in a for-hire capacity. I'm a foreign national exempt from foreign law under Amendment 11 of both the Constitution and the Constitution of the United States, and I claim all my exemptions.
Okay, so do you have any other documentation from the United States government saying that you're exempt from these, or that you're
I don't have my paperwork in the car with me, but I do have it.
Okay.
And that's my form of ID, and those are my private plates on the car.
Okay, this is a passport. Okay, so I'm aware of your group that you're with. This doesn't grant you any rights to drive.
Please run my car?
I will. Do you have a driver's license in any state in the United States?
No.
No? Okay. Do you have any other documentation, nothing from the United States government saying you have diplomatic immunity?
My paperwork is at my house.
Okay, are you aware that in the United States, when you're a diplomat inside the United... Are you claiming to be a diplomat? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm a foreign state national.
Right. So,
That's what I am.
So you're a foreign state national.
Yes, and
but
if you run my
you're claiming
passport,
diplomatic immunity, correct?
If you run my passport, you'll be able to see my documents there. It reflects.
So do you have
my
a driver's license in any state in the United States?
That is my form of ID, sir.
Do you have a driver's license? That's not my question. Do you have a driver's license? You do not. Okay.
No, that is my form of ID.
Do you have a registration or a valid proof of insurance for the vehicle? It's a yes or no question.
No.
Okay. Any particular reason he wasn't seatbelted?
No, he had.
He was hanging out the window. Yeah, but when we were behind him, he didn't have his seatbelt
Pulled
on.
away from school. And
Okay, where did you obtain that tag?
From foreign state national guy in Alabama who makes the plates.
Okay. So you're aware that in the United States and in the state of Florida, you're required to have specific tags that actually go to the vehicle and is registered. Are you aware of that?
My private automobile.
Okay. You've been filled with some false information. So in the state of Florida, you're required to have a driver's license.
I'm not sure many people are aware.
We are. I have read a lot about the foreign state nationals.
I don't know. I feel like they give people a bad rap because I've been in situations before where I try to explain to them and they keep calling me sovereign citizen and like.
Well, that's what it is. That's what it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's not.
Avoid legal responsibility. These arguments are often based on misunderstood or made-up legal ideas that have no real standing in court. What makes this situation even harder to watch is that she made it in front of her kids, turning a basic traffic stop into a long confrontation. Instead of handling things calmly, she refused to hand over her license and made things worse. She spoke with a lot of confidence, quoting legal phrases that likely came from unreliable online sources. It's hard to understand how someone could ignore basic laws while sitting in a vehicle registered by the government with a license issued by the same system they claim not to recognize. It's frustrating to think about the impact this might have on her children, growing up with the idea that rules don't matter or that every law is...
And when you look it up on the internet, it'll tell you, right, but it'll explain it as a sovereign citizen.
Essentially, it is a sovereign citizen entity. Do you have keys to the vehicle? Can you hand me the keys?
No, I cannot.
Okay, step out of the car for me. Get out of the car. Unlock it. Can you unlock it?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Step out of the car.
Close my door!
Step out of the car. 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 Stop!
Stop!
You're gonna get chased. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. You just kicked me. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop. You're fine. I know she's your mom. 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 Your mom's fine, okay? Go back in the car. Go back in the car. It's okay. We're gonna come take her to the grass and you guys can talk to her, okay? Step away from her.
It's already bad enough my father was arrested. I don't need her method too. She's the only person I have. Please.
Step back over here.
Please, I'm sorry.
Go back to the car, please. Your mom's gonna be okay. Your mom's gonna be okay.
Just don't.
We're not gonna hurt her. Your mom's gonna be okay.
She's the only person I have.
Okay.
Nothing right.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
These are my children.
Okay.
Please.
Go back in the car. Get these kids away from me.
They forced me out of my car. They dragged me on the floor like an animal. I did nothing at all. I just
Stand up.
picked my children up from
Stand up.
school.
Watch your phone. Walk over to that car.
I can't believe you're doing this.
Grab that one too.
I did nothing wrong.
Come here, bud. Come here, bud.
No.
Hey, come on. Step over here. Unlock your car. Hey. Take a seat in the vehicle. You have any weapons on you? Purse? No, you don't. Take a seat. Sit you did, please. Hey. Try to talk to you. Okay? Hey. That's
I tried to talk to you.
No, but
why
you weren't
would you drag
listening.
me out of my car like that? You had no right.
Optional. At one point, she actually made a valid statement, but it came after a long series of arguments that didn't make much sense. In Florida, you do need a valid driver's license to operate a vehicle. That's just the law. Ignoring that and trying to argue otherwise doesn't end well, as she learned here. It's hard not to feel frustrated watching this. The whole incident could have been avoided if she had just cooperated with officers from the start. Instead, she chose to argue based on internet theories and ended up being arrested, with her children witnessing everything. What's even more concerning is that another person, claiming similar beliefs, showed up during the traffic stop in a vehicle, with no proper plates.
Motor alarm says you saw the channel.
Right? I'm not a U.S. citizen. Okay, I understand you're doing your job and all that, but I did nothing wrong. And now you're forcibly pushing me into
Get in the
car.
car. You're under arrest.
Why?
Because you kicked me. Battery on a law enforcement officer. You did. It's on camera. You
not
did
kick
kick me.
you.
Did kick me.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
You were pushing me, pulling me out of my car.
I'm right here. Yep. Do you want some quick games like this?
I'm not playing any games.
Ask him for help. Is he okay?
He's fine.
No!
Do you have someone we can call that can pick the kids up?
I'm trying to call him.
Okay, well, I have your phone. Do you want me to try to call him for you? I'm not going to give you your phone, no. What's your PIN? Or you don't have to give me it, but I'm trying to make a phone call for you.
Can I put my pin in?
Sure.
Adult male detained, 14.
Send a female for a search if we have one.
Adult male baker at 1446.
Hi, my love. Is there anything?
No, they arrested me and they have the kids. I did nothing.
Move your foot.
And he dragged me out of my car. They dragged me out of the car. Give me a second. Let me see who I can find.
I'm trying to make a phone call. There's 3 kids in the car. They're freaking out right now.
Where are you going to be? Where are you?
Hi, this is Officer Fager with the Edgewater Police Department. Who am I speaking with?
This is Joshua. What's going on?
Are you Are you husband or father of the kid?
No, don't touch me!
I'm not going to touch you.
Are you able to try to respond to take the kid? She's under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence.
That doesn't seem like her. I don't understand what's going on.
Okay, well, you can review the body camera footage because it was her. So, do you want to respond to take the kids?
Talk to Dad.
Do you want to have a conversation?
My son.
We're calling to get somebody to come pick you up. Do you have a valid license? Do you have a license right now?
I don't use no license, sir.
Huh?
I don't use a license.
Well, in the state of Florida, you have to have a valid driver's license to drive a motor vehicle on the roadway. You understand that, right?
No.
Adding more confusion to the situation. Some people who follow these beliefs truly act like they've discovered a secret no one else knows. They speak as if they're experts, but their ideas are usually based on misinformation. It's not clear whether they genuinely believe what they're saying or are just hoping to avoid responsibility. In the end, this woman was charged with several serious offenses, including battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, and using false license plates. These are serious charges, and the entire situation could have been avoided with a different approach.
No.
I can see if I can get someone closer. Can you give me 5 minutes?
Sure.
Okay.
Yep, you can just call her number back if you want.
Fine. Okay.
Thanks, bud.
Being a police officer is an inherently dangerous job. So when you're told to do something and you tell them no, we're going to then make you do it. That's just the way it works. This whole sovereign...
But it's still not right. They really
You
forced
committed a
me
crime.
to the crime. I did not hurt anyone. I was not committing a crime.
You committed
They
a...
dragged me out
You
of
committed
my
a misdemeanor
car
in the state of
by
Florida.
My legs, like
listen.
an animal.
Well, you kicked him.
Sir, I did not kick him. He's dragging my legs, and I'm trying to pull my legs back to sit up in my seat.
You were
So if
driving...
he got kicked, it was not intentional.
You were driving a motor vehicle that is unregistered in the state of Florida, which is a misdemeanor crime, punishable by jail and fines, so you can't go to jail for it.
And you are going to jail for it. You don't have a driver's license in the state of Florida. That's a misdemeanor. You're going to jail for that.
She said she used to have... So she
She's
paid
suspended.
$30. Well, no, I know. She paid $30 to this sovereign citizen group to get that tag because she's one of the foreign national things, and they told her you don't need a license anymore. You don't have to register. You don't have to do all this stuff.
Ask if it's okay if Maya, their next door neighbor, picks up.
Is it okay if Maya, your next door neighbor? Yes.
Hello.
Hello, are you Maya?
Yes, I am.
Gotcha.
6 Alpha 15.
You realize all your cars... Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Can we see it so we can make sure? You realize in the state of Florida, your vehicle has to be registered, right?
It is registered.
Because it's been documented time after time after time that somebody tries to do this, and it's proven that it's false. It's not true. Okay? But ultimately, at the end of the day, you can't put your hands on a police officer. Not in the United States, not in the state of Florida, not in the city of Edgewater. Okay? There's repercussions to that. All right?
Did you get her on the sovereign thing, or she?
Well, oh, her? Did she get you onto it? Because she has a tag too.
No, she's me.
She's your neighbor.
Who got
had
it first?
You or her?
She,
Did she turn you onto it? So you could look into this?
no. But that's her own business. But I wanted to look it up.
Oh, she has a business doing it?
No,
that's
I
her own.
said, like her,
Personal business.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. So she's gonna walk home with your kids. She's not driving her car either. Her car's getting towed just like yours.
The most upsetting part is that her children were in the middle of it all. They were exposed to a very chaotic and confusing situation, all because their parent refused to follow standard legal procedures. The officers in this case showed a lot of patience and handled the situation professionally. They stayed calm, even when things got out of hand. In my view, they managed it as well as anyone could. If you're interested in seeing more updates like this, let me know. I always enjoy hearing your thoughts. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and be safe out there.